Hi, I'm Nick Cato with Leo Barrick, and today we decided to walk across the street from our offices to beautiful Coronado Beach to film this week's episode of Tax Concepts for Deal Professionals. Now, before you continue on, please stop, take a look of the description of this video, and look at the prerequisite videos and articles that we've listed out so you get the most out of this. That being said, if you've done that, let's go ahead and continue on. Today we're going to be talking about corporate distributions and going through an example. You know, as we discussed in some of the prior episodes, you know, when you make a distribution out of a corporation, it can have a very different tax effect depending on the facts and circumstances. And so today, let's go through a quick example to kind of illustrate what you've learned through our prior videos and articles. So assume you have some investors that own stock of a US C corporation, okay? That C corporation has $50 of stock basis in it. You have $30 of E&P in the corporation, and this year the corporation wants to make a distribution of $100 to its investors. And so what's that mean? As you recall, the $30 of that distribution is going to be treated as a dividend because you look to the E&P, and we have $30 of E&P, so the first $30 of that distribution will be taxed as a dividend for tax purposes, okay? The next 50 is going to be treated as a tax-free return of capital because we have tax basis of 50 in the corporation, and that's the next kind of order of operations. And then finally, with the remaining 20, you know, that amount exceeds your E&P and your basis, that's going to be treated as a sale or exchange of the stock or kind of a capital transaction on that stock. And so if this corporation was a FERPTA company, that can be an instance in which the investors could get hit with it's currently a 21% tax on that distribution, even though they haven't, quote unquote, sold the stock, which is when you typically think FERPTA would apply. When a distribution exceeds your E&P and your basis, FERPTA can still rear its head. All right, everyone, that's it for today. Thanks again so much for tuning in. Really appreciate your guys' time. Be sure to like and subscribe and visit our website, leobarrick.com. Thank you.